and now we are going to the Yujiachun clinic on boat, which was located in a small island, and we will go there by boat. It will take half hour to get there. Let's go. Hello. Guys, why they call him Shui Shang Yi Shang? It's the translation like the doctor on the boat or the doctor on the water, because there is no any road. Like he want to go to see the patient, he go by boat. Yu Clinic is used to be on that boat. 100 residents in this village have their medical profile in document in his computer. So now we're gonna follow him and we pay visit to the villager's home. Let's go. Haipao village is an island. The people live here if they get sick. So for the treatment go far, like it's inconvenient. So that's why we decided to live here to serve the people. Thanks to the health and the medical assistance program for poverty alleviation, some poor families also have access to medical service. We're almost there. You are in the bottom of mountain and then come up, and then you are in another island and come to another island on the boat, and just to see the patient, it's really good, man. Dr. Yi said, as CPC member at grassroots level, he is willing to be the guardian of villagers' health. Their good health makes him happy. What a nice doctor, what a good doctor.